If you're trading Forex bots, your VPS can make or break your results. Today, I'll share the top 3 Forex VPS for 2026 rated by speed, uptime, cost, and overall experience, so your bots run 24/7 without issues. A VPS is like having a second computer in the cloud that runs 24/7, letting your bots trade automatically while you manage accounts stress-free. In this video, I'll share the best VPS providers we've tested, tips for the best experience, and how to get your bots running smoothly. VPS 3, FxVM. FxVM has been in the market for over 12 years and currently hosts over 127,000 Forex bots. Key feature, lets you check broker terminal latency and select the best server location. Pricing, 7.5. Speed, 9. Uptime, 8. Overall experience, 8. Recommended for traders who want reliability at a reasonable price. VPS 2, MyForexVPS. MyForexVPS is the premium choice, best for managing large funds and multiple accounts. Current usage, over $423 billion worth of trades. Over 2 million traders have switched from manual to automated trading using solutions like this. Pricing, 5. Speed, 10. Uptime, 10. Overall experience, 9.5. Note, excellent VPS for advanced users, but not ideal for beginners or those on a tight budget. VPS 1, Hyonix VPS. Hyonix VPS is used by over 10,000 active traders, starting at just $6 per month. Allows running 1 to 2 MT5 terminals with great customer support. Pricing, 10. Speed, 8. Uptime, 8. Overall experience, 8. Recommended for beginners or traders on a budget looking for reliable, low-cost VPS. Always check latency with your broker before setting up. Run 1 or 2 terminals per VPS for optimal speed. Regularly monitor uptime and maintenance notifications. If you've never used a profitable trading bot, we've created a free bot for beginners to earn $100 to $1,000 risk-free. Go to www.wealthflow.pro, sign up, click the Test the Bot for Free icon, connect your account, start trading in 15 minutes. Bonus, check our video on how to install MT5 on a VPS and set up your bot in under 5 minutes to get started fast. These are the top 3 Forex VPS for bots in 2026: FxVM, MyForexVPS, and Hyonix. Choose one based on your budget, number of accounts, and experience level. Don't forget to try our free trading bot to experience automated profits risk-free. Links in the description.